Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change DPI settings on your REALME GT8 Pro smartphone. First of all, we're gonna have to open settings on this device and then go to display and brightness menu. Here, we're gonna have to find font and display size settings. In font settings, we'll be able to select a font to use for this device, and for some fonts we'll be able to adjust the weight and, most importantly, the size of the font. To apply changes, tap apply at the bottom. Then in the display size menu, we'll be able to choose from the small, standard and large display options. The changes will be applied immediately once we select a different option. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.